All right, it's that time of year when all the high school ladies in waiting, but they kind of go to the boutiques in search of their perfect, one-of-a-kind prom dress. Now, fashion designer Georgina Johnson-Jones, she has the threads, the frills, and the thrills, I'm told, where you could choose from. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Before I even go to this, you're a clinical psychologist.
An associate clinical psychologist.
How in the world can an associate clinical psychologist be a designer? What do you do? You clinically make the dress then?
A little bit. A little bit, yeah.
So which one was first? This one or your school psychology was first?
School was first, and then at the end of the clinical psychology program, I was like, I kind of like designing again. So I just decided to go for it.
How long ago was that?
I was 2 years ago.
Okay. We're talking about prom dresses this morning. But do you do any other stuff?
Yeah, I do casual wear. I do a little bit of menswear, a little bit of swimwear, but I really prefer formal dresses.
Why a little bit of menswear, please?
Because, you know, women have a tendency to have more interesting outfits.
Okay, I'm looking at, what is that are we looking at? That's not a prom dress, is it?
No, not really. That is one of my beautiful models, Jasmine Elise. Yeah. It was a formal wear.
And those are...
And that's Amika Lewis, another model.
So you say you prefer formal wear?
Yeah,
Why?
I do. Because you can add a lot of intricacies.
That's nice. That's
Thank you.
Nice. Yeah.
I just like detailing, and if it's hard and challenging, I prefer.
How long stuff like that? You just design or you make them too?
I design and make them, so that all of that is hand-sewn.
All of that?
Yeah, so I did the base with the machine, and then all of the gold trimmings and the lace, I had to hand-sew them.
That's brilliant. How long did that take you?
A couple of days on and off.
So why do I bring anything for I&I? Please?
Next time. Next time, definitely.
Which would when?
What school? High school?
Which would be when you're going to?
Oh, well, whenever you decide to have me back.
Oh, tomorrow.
Okay, great.
Before we go to you have a fashion show coming up, don't you?
Yes, I do.
When and where?
It's called Summer of Style. It's a fashion and trade show. It's happening on July the 1st at the New Kingston Business Center. Me and a couple other designers will be coming out showcasing our designs.
Where is the New Kingston Business Center, please?
It is
in New Kingston.
In New Kingston, yeah.
Where in New Kingston?
It is upstairs Cuddies. It's right in the same vicinity that Cuddies is in.
All right, so who and what have you brought this morning?
All right, so for the first model, we have Ashley.
Ashley, come Ashley, make us see one. There's Ashley.
No, Ashley has a fully sequined gown that has hand-placed stones and feather detailing.
Ashley, where you going so quick? You know, everybody see it, Ashley? Right there. What is about the stones? The stones,
they're all hand-placed, and also the feathers as well. Feathers and stones and sequins are a really big thing this year.
Ash. Like
so I decided to combine all of them. So this is a very statement piece. Okay. You definitely will get noticed at prom this year.
Question, a prom dress is a prom dress or is a prom dress, or you have different levels and ages and stuff?
A prom dress is a prom dress. I mean, prom is usually reserved for high schools. Right. I mean, other persons have graduation, but we really take it to the next level for high school.
This is for high school.
That's for high school, yes.
Beautiful. That's nice.
Thank
Who's
you.
next?
So next we have, who should I call next?
I don't know.
Next we have Jazz.
Come in, Jazz. Make us know one. This is Jasmine.
Jazz has a little bit more understated prom dress. She has lace detailing at the top, and I decided to kind of accentuate the shoulders with the hand-placed appliques.
I have a question. When you say a little bit more understated, what does that mean? I don't
As in, the first one came out, it was all glitz and glam from kind of head to toe, but this one is a little bit more toned down.
This one is just glitz and glam at the top?
At the top, right.
Okay, yeah. Easy, Jazz. Right. Models have to be serious?
Oh, models can be who they are.
Okay, all right.
All right, so the next person we have coming is Kristen.
Kristen.
Yes, and she is wearing an African-inspired piece. I decided to go with exaggerated sleeves for this one.
Why?
I like being extra. I like, if you're going to prom, you might as well go all the way.
Yeah, I love that.
So, you know, I really love the African trend that's coming in the prom dresses, and I hope that our Jamaican prom ladies will actually...
Hold out your arms again, make us see something. All right.
What does that remind you of?
Plenty material upon our hand. What does it remind you of?
There's a show with the black and white people. I forgot what it's called now.
Me don't know where to go. But that's nice, though. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kristen.
Hold on to that, because we don't want your trip. Hey.
There we go. There we go.
Big time,
all right,
Kristen.
and finally we have Ashley.
No.
We have Crystal, I'm sorry.
Ashley did come already. Man.
Yes.
Come in, Kristen.
So again, we have another African-inspired piece here, but it's a little bit less predictable. We do have, it does remind you of the African tradition with the neck piece.
Yeah, I was just going to say, I like the neck piece.
Yes,
like
thank
this.
you.
I
And
like
the colors as well.
This is nice.
And it is actually a two-piece dress, so you can actually take off the skirt underlay, and then you have...
It can't come off now. Hey, it can come off?
Yeah, man, it can come off. And then you can just have the dress for prom. So when you're ready to dance and party, then you just have
nice.
this.
I like that.
Thank you.
Question, a prom dress have to be full length?
No, you can have shorts, dresses, you can even have pants.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
So that's it?
Yes,
So
that's
everybody
it.
have to come back out now. That's nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Where can we get all this stuff?
So you can find me on social media at Namae Styles.
Namae Styles.
Yes, or you can contact me at 413-3420.
Spell the Namae.
N-A-M-A-E.
Okay. Styles.
Styles.
Namae Styles. Fantastic stuff.
Thank
and I
you.
suspect you have other designs.
Yes, I do
so
have other
not
designs.
just the four
no,
designs. Yeah.
no.
All right. There you go.
Thank you so much, ladies.
Yeah, man. Tell me quickly again about your fashion show.
So the fashion show that's coming up, it's me and a whole other bunch of handbag, footwear, fashion designers, and we're coming together to present, because you know, in the summer we have a lot of events. We want to get dressed for them, we want to look nice. So we have a lot of retailers and fashion designers and all other designers coming out. It's on July the 1st at the New Kingston Business Center. It starts at 3, ends at 7, so you have to come out early.
Beautiful. And I like this stuff. I really like this
Thank
stuff.
you.
There you go. Fashion designer, Georgina Johnson Jones. All right, we switch to some music after the break, folks. Stay with us. Soon come back.